Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make table in Canva. If you find this video helpful, consider a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now first of all, there are two ways by which you can add table to Canva. The first one is just open Canva, open any design and go on elements. Type here on the search bar table. Okay, click on see all, grab it and put it into the design. You can add column like this. Right click with your mouse and click on add column. If you want to add row, right click with your mouse and click on add row. So you can see there are many options you can use according to your need. Now the second way is just go on Google Sheets and here make the table according to your need. Just click on file on top left corner and click on download. Now here click on PDF and click on export. Now again go on Canva. You will see an interface like this. Just go over here on upload, click on upload files and upload the file you have downloaded from Google Sheets. Okay, it is uploading here. Just click on the file and that's it. You can see the table is completely customizable. I can change any text I want. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add table or make table in Canva. Thanks for watching.